Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, you'll learn exactly how to turn on all story notifications for someone on Instagram, so you never miss a single update from your favorite accounts. Whether it's a close friend, a celebrity, or your favorite creator, these steps will make sure their stories always show up first for you. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to enable notifications. Once the app is open, head over to the profile of the person whose stories you don't want to miss. You can do this by searching their name using the search bar at the bottom of the screen or by tapping their username from your feed. Next, look under their bio. You'll see a button labeled Following. Tap on that. A small menu will pop up with several options that let you customize how you interact with that account. From that menu, tap on the notifications icon. It looks like a small bell at the top of the screen. When you open the notifications menu, you'll see several options including posts, stories, reels, and live videos. To make sure you get notified every time they post a story, tap on stories, then choose all. This setting ensures you'll get notifications for every story they share as soon as it goes live. And that's it. You've successfully turned on all story notifications for that person on Instagram. From now on, you'll receive alerts whenever they share a new story, so you'll always be up to date with their latest post. If at any point you want to turn the notifications off, you can go back to the same menu at any time and choose another option or turn them off completely. It's quick, simple, and gives you full control over the content you see first. Now you're all set to stay connected, engaged, and ready to catch every story before it disappears.